All right, drink we're about to make is called pumpkin. All right, let's take our shot glasses and strain in our ingredients so far. Now, we're going to take some 151, float that on top, and what we're going to do now is go ahead and light them on fire, if you're allowed to. Unfortunately, I cannot do that in my bar, but we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon on there, right on the fire if we had one, so just pretend there's one there. And I would suggest you let the fire go out or blow it out before you take the shot. Bottoms up.